Hey, this is going to be my video for week 16 of AmeriCorps NCCC. I'm actually right now at an RV park, Armitage Park here in Eugene, Oregon. We did a little move. We're at the second half of our round two, and we're going to be working with the Lane, not Lane County. We were working with Lane County Parks, and now we're going to be working with the City of Eugene, their Parks and Recreation Department. So we just moved here on Monday, and we've started our first couple days of work. I start off with telling you what happened the rest of last week. Um, Last Thursday, which would be or last Wednesday actually would be the first day, last day I left off. We did a lot of burning that day with our, like propane tanks with fire wands. So we did a lot of burning with that. Wednesday, we were basically taking out like a lot of shrubs that they didn't want. We did a lot of burning of stinky bobs and shining geraniums. Just kind of cleaning up the area, getting the ground nice and clean because there's a lot of like species they don't want. And then the next day we followed up doing the same thing, and we also had them bring a big excavator in, and they took one of the like downed old trees and put it into the creek, which was Archie Knowles Creek, or Knowles Creek, at Archie Knowles Campground. And it's pretty cool to watch just their finesse and how they move the crane so well just to move it in there. They put it in there because the salmon need habitat, so having logs in the creek creates habitat for the salmon, and like the baby salmon won't get washed away when there ends up being like a high flow. That way they can hide in the logs and stuff, and it actually increases the population having logs in the stream. The next day was Friday. It was a really relaxed day. We pulled out a lot of blackberry. We also did like a little debrief with our supervisors. It was a really relaxed day. We didn't really do much. And then Saturday, Sunday, it was pretty lax. We just went to Florence, hung out. I actually went and hung out with a guy I met on Grindr, and we went to, he took me around and showed me like further south of the area we were staying in. We went to like Bend, Oregon, went to a couple of bars, and we went down to a place called Bannon, which I guess is just like another little coastal town. It was really nice. They had a lot of really upscale housing and stuff like that. And he was just telling me about the stuff he does, and he was a pretty interesting person. He was used to be in AmeriCorps as well, so it was just cool to connect with somebody who wasn't on my team, to talk about AmeriCorps, even though that's my whole life, basically right now. And then Monday we packed up and we moved from where we were staying out at Camp Lane here to Armitage Park. We're staying in two RVs. We have a girls' RV and a boys' RV. I'm going to plan on doing like a video tour, like a cribs thing again for the RVs and maybe the whole campground in general. So that's something to look forward to. Maybe I'll put that out next week as well. And then the last 2 days, Tuesday, well I guess I'm making this video a day late, so I guess Tuesday, since that's the day I usually stop on, we basically just did like a little walk around of the Eugene City Parks and Recs department. We went around their whole grounds. They have like 20-some buildings on their camp, or on their like little campus, so it was pretty interesting. We did a little talk, some safety things. We went to one of our work sites we're going to be working at, and just kind of got orientated to the city of Eugene. So it's been pretty interesting. Just a little update video, I guess. I guess I'll see you all next week. Hopefully I'll actually get that video out on time. Our weeks are going to be working different here. Instead of working from Monday through Friday, we're going to work Tuesday through Saturday. So I think that week, just the fact that our work week was different, I kind of thought Monday was Tuesday and Tuesday was Wednesday. But anywho, this is coming up. Thank you. Thanks for watching.